Hello friends, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Ready for dictation? Start. This criminal appeal by special leave is directed against the judgment and order dated 23/11/2004 passed by the High Court of Rajasthan Jaipur bench in criminal appeal number 990/2002, which upheld the conviction and sentence of the appellant under sections 364, 450, 302, 201 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 IPC. Stop. Para. The relevant facts of the case as per the prosecution are that Kalu the deceased was Chowkidar in the office of Agriculture Extension Bundi, and his duty was during the night in the office premises. Stop. He was found missing under mysterious circumstances on 15/7/2000. Hence, informant Ramesh Chand Jain, Assistant Director, lodged a written report on 15/7/2000 at 7:30 a.m. in the police station Bundi. Stop. On the basis of the report, a case under section 456/364 IPC was registered and investigation commenced. Stop. During the investigation, it was revealed that Kalu was a star witness in a criminal case registered against the appellant Vinay D. Nagar and others under sections 365, 364, 328, 342, 323 IPC. Stop. As per the prosecution case, the accused, along with his other companions, had abducted a child Sonu on 7/7/2000 and had brought Sonu in the office where Kalu was Chowkidar and kept him in the office for some time. Stop. The activities of the accused and his companions made Kalu suspicious. Stop. Since Kalu had been seen the accused with Sonu, and as the accused was a clerk in the same office where Kalu was posted as a chowkidar. Stop. The statement of Kalu was recorded by the investigating officer under section 161 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 CRPC. Stop. The investigating officer moved an application before the magistrate on 12/7/2000 to record the statement of Kalu under section 164 CRPC, and Kalu was to be produced before the magistrate on 17/7/2000, the date given by the magistrate. Stop. But in the intervening period, his dead body was found in a tank on 19/7/2000. Stop. The post mortem report indicated that the death of the deceased was homicidal. Stop. The appellant accused was arrested and put to trial. Stop. In his statement under section 313 CRPC, he stated that on the relevant date he had gone to Bombay, but the explanation was found false in view of the evidence led by the prosecution, whereby it was found that he had gone to Ahmedabad and not to Bombay. Stop. The session court found the accused guilty and convicted him. Stop. Para. It is urged by the learned senior counsel that the statement recorded by the police under section 161 CRPC of the deceased in abduction case is not admissible under section 162 CRPC, and therefore the prosecution could not have relied upon the statement of the deceased Kalu recorded by the police. Stop. The question is whether the statement recorded under section 161 CRPC of the deceased Kalu in a case registered FIR number 290/2000 abduction case is admissible in the case registered under FIR number 301/2000 murder trial in view of the provisions of section 162 CRPC. Section 162 CRPC reads as under. Stop. when the statement of Kalu was recorded by the police officers under 161 CRPC during the investigation of abduction case of a boy, Kalu was alive, and thus that statement could be used in the subsequent investigation that was being made with respect to the alleged murder of Kalu. Stop.